Well, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Just encourage me to do more content for you guys. Well, today I'll be giving you the top 5 skills that a .NET developer should be looking forward to knowing or acquiring in this modern development um, times. So if you want to land a big job, if you want your salary to keep going higher, I think you need these top 5 skills, and I'll be showing you one after the other. So let's dive in and let me show you. The first one on my list is the client side skills. Okay, so basically, if you're a .NET developer, most companies now are hiring full stack developers. Full stack means you know everything from top to bottom. You should be knowing or be comfortable with HTML. Okay, that's very basic. CSS, that's another very basic, and JavaScript. So these skills are all called client side skills. Okay, and you should be knowing these 3 skills, and you can learn all these skills online. You could buy a book. You could take a short course. You could take a boot camp, and you could learn some things on Pluralsight or Udemy.com. And you can learn all these 3 things. But these are the first things that the very basic thing that you need to know. The first one is the client-side skills, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right. So moving on to the second skill that you will need to have as a .NET developer is the server-side skill or skills. So the main language for .NET is C Sharp. So as a .NET developer, you are expected to know C Sharp. All right. So luckily for you, I have a few videos on here that explains a little bit about C Sharp and all. So well, although C Sharp is the main backend language, there's also VB.NET VB that you can use to develop backend applications um, for .NET. Okay, moving on to the third one, ASP.NET MVC. All right. So this is just an architectural pattern to use. We use this to design UIs, so the user interface. Okay. So the MVC also comprises of the client side application and intertwined with C Sharp as well. So if you're designing or learning MVC, you're definitely going to be you'll be required to know at least HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript, and C Sharp. So to learn MVC, you need these 3, at least a little working knowledge of these 3. Okay, but as a .NET developer, you do need to know MVC. So that's that. The fourth one is database. Of course, you will need to know database to be a full stack developer, full blown .NET developer. You need to know the database. And just because .NET is kind of Microsoft technologies stack, I will be saying Microsoft SQL Server will be your database of choice. And you can learn that. It's all there. It's all available online. I have a video for Microsoft or creating database and basically doing the simple CRUD operations: create, insert, delete, and update, right here on my channel. You could watch that video. Okay, and the last one that I think a .NET developer should have in this modern day, you should know Web API. Okay, so I've seen a lot of questions and interviews that they ask a lot about Web APIs nowadays. So you should be getting yourself familiar with Web API. Web An API stands for Application Programming Interface. So it just basically means this is how like 2 companies can talk. So let's say you're trying to get Weather Channel into your application. Weather Channel has an API, so you just have to integrate that API into your application, and you can use it. You can have a Weather Channel. That is how your application can talk to Weather Channel application. It's it's that simple. There are 2 types of Web API. There's REST API, and then there is SOAP API. So both of them are good, but um, most companies again use RESTful API. So that's that. I want to call it a day right here. Thank you very much. But let me just summarize for you. Like I said, there are client side, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The second that you must need to know is server side, which is C sharp. You need to know C sharp. So it's like C and the hashtag, but it's called C sharp. And then you also need to know MVC, ASP.NET MVC. You also need to know database. You need to know web APIs. Well, the last one, web API, it is not mandatory that you know, but the first four you must know. The web API is something that you should know to give you an edge over, to make you take it to the next level. Like if you know web APIs, it's like you're in the next level of your development profession and all of that. So these are the top five for me. Let me know in the comment section below if you feel like there's something else that should be on this list. But top five for me are these ones. So that's it, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel for more beautiful contents like this. I'll be releasing contents on C Sharp and programming and a whole lot of things, JavaScript, jQuery, a whole lot of things. So anticipate for more. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Catch you guys and have a lovely day wherever you are. Beautiful programming life and enjoy. Thank you.